So can you transfer your Beacons.ai domain that you bought with Beacons.ai, like this one here, which you can see I got through Beacons.ai. I have the Creator Pro plan, and that's how it allows me to get the free domain. Now, can you transfer this to another domain registration company? I'm going to answer that question and show you how. So the answer is actually yes, but kind of no. So if you go to Beacons.ai and you go ahead and go to their help section, here it answers the question, can I transfer my domain out of Beacons? And it says here that in the terms and conditions, under the refund section, the domains that you acquire through Beacons.ai will still remain property of Beacons.ai. So they don't actually have to transfer the domain out for you because they actually own it. However, they do offer that service, but you will have to pay $70 to do so. And to get that started, you need to go ahead and email support@Beacons.ai. They will then give you further instructions. So that's how you can do it. You can do it, but it will cost you $70.